Hey guys, it's WDC here. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I've been a little bit lazy lately. So I'm going to do a Morrowind video since I haven't done any of those in a while. Literally, it's been months. So, this is my next marble. This is my marble run, so what I have here, my 4 marbles. This is maybe the first solid marble you'll be seeing on my channel. I have more, I just don't show them on camera. Anyway, let's go. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I might do Roblox videos for now until maybe I might use a video camera. Anyway, see you guys next time.